Moving can be tiring and emotionally difficult for everyone, including pets. They are also affected by the sudden changes in their lives and new environment. But with certain precautions and tips, we can make this transition easy for them. Let's check out how. Pick a pet-friendly neighborhood and home. Find your home in a pet-friendly neighborhood, where they can have space for playing and walking. Learn about the regulations of the neighborhood related to pets. Pack up an overnight kit. Pack an overnight survival kit for your pet, which have pet food, toys, grooming tools, and other. Keep your pets away on moving day. It is better to keep pets away from the packing area. You can leave them in their kennel in an empty room or garage. Take them for a walk, feed them, and talk to them as you usually do, even during the transition. Provide them with secluded space. A house full of boxes and strange people can make your pet anxious. So, always schedule your pet relocation after you relocate the house. Try to keep everything routine and make them feel at home. Visit your vet before the relocation. If you are moving out of state or city, it is better to visit your vet. Inform them about the relocation, and take the pet's medical records and medications. Learn about the pet laws in the new city or state. Try to get familiar with the new laws about pets, like tying them with a leash, walking areas, defecating areas, and more. If your pet has a microchip or tag, then update these before you arrive in the new state or city. Book a pet moving service. Hire a professional pet moving company, and safely relocate your pet. They ensure that the pet is well fed and comfortable with its new environment. Pet-proof your new home. Make your new house pet-proof to avoid any unexpected hazards. Cover the balcony railing to ensure your pet cannot squeeze or jump over. Secure all the screens, gates, doors, and windows. Keep away any poisonous plants or substances in the house. Make pets friendly with a new home. Introduce your pets to their new home and neighborhood. Start the process slowly and take them for a walk throughout the home, and let them see and sniff everything to get used to it. Keep their routine intact. So, move your pet safely with professional movers. Plan your move with Van Lines Move and start finding a moving company at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800.